Hello everyone, today it's Isaac King Videos, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Apps not opening after Lineage update. So when your Lineage system updates, it removes all the Google apps and all the G apps and stuff, because it's technically reinstalling the Android system. But this is going to be a little fix on how to fix that. So the first things first is you need to shut down the device like I've done right now. And we are going to go and boot into recovery by pressing power button and volume up. Press power button and press volume up until you see the Lineage recovery screen. Just like this. I am going to clear the cache because it's recommended and it makes the system run faster. Now we need to go to apply update and we're going to go to apply from ADB. So here I've got the tablet connected to the computer and I am just going to open up Android debugging bridge. So here is ADB loaded up. So I've loaded up command prompt and that directs me to the ADB folder. So I'm going to go to ADB sideload. And now we're going to be side and load the Android 15 apps, Google Apps. So here it is, mine the G apps 15.00, and we're going to hit enter. And now, in just a few seconds, it should download, and it should install on the tablet. Okay, so it showed the signature failed. We're going to install anyway. And fingers crossed, hopefully it doesn't fail. Alright, it looks like it's done. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to be rebooting the system. And luckily, I didn't need to do a factory reset, like my Sony phone when it used to work. So, let's see if the Play Store works. There we go. The Play Store opens up. And it's no longer crashing. And here's my YouTube channel. It's working again. And since it's working again, I'm going to be putting in the Google widget like this. So Google now finally works. Right, as you can see, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.